for me, one of the best spots pag mag-take kayo ng picture with villages here in Switzerland. Yeah. Ano siya? Traditional houses. Hi guys, welcome or welcome back on my channel. So for this today's video, it's currently Saturday here and day off ko. I'm with Key and we're going to the Interlaken region, bandang Lauterbrunnen, probably Isatwald and Giselbach. Let's see kung ano mangyayari ngayon. Nasa train kami sa medyo mahina yung boses ko. But anyway, let's see. Ito yung parang going around the village lang dito sa Switzerland kasi nag-explore ako na ibang bansa. Ang dami ko nang upload ng ibang bansa pero hindi sa Switzerland. So, tingnan naman natin if ano yung mangyayari or makikita natin since nasa Switzerland naman ako. No? So, video diary nga in Switzerland. So, samahan nyo ako and silipin natin kung gaano kaganda dito sa Switzerland. But anyway, ito yung weather ngayon. So, hindi siya ganun ka sunny. It's overcast. Pero check pa rin natin baka maganda. And medyo malamig talaga ngayon since winter and pupunta tayo sa mga bundok-bundok. So let's see kung ano mangyayari. Sana hindi kami mag-yelo. So maraming salamat. Ciao! Hi guys, so nandito na kami ngayon sa my Lauterbrunnen. This is one of my favorite villages here in Switzerland. What? Yeah. Yeah, because although it's touristy, it's really nice. Kung makita nyo, ayan. Ayan yung normal village dito sa Switzerland with, of course, it's currently winter so ang dami talagang mga snow. Ayan. So, actually from Lausanne, pumunta kami ng Bern, tapos Interlaken Ost or yung Interlaken East or West ba yun. Tapos sumakay kami ng isa pang train papuntang Lauterbrunnen. So ito yung makikita nyo pala sa may Lauterbrunnen.
I want to show you.
What?
Here it's Valais, you see?
Oui.
Sion is here, that's Valais.
Oui.
We are here.
Oui.
And here you are the famous Aletsch Gletscher, you know? I propose you to go. It's the biggest
biggest
glacier.
glacier.
And
This one.
yeah, and Zermatt is here.
Yeah.
And you have a train.
Going
This
there.
one is going from Brig under the mountain until Spitz here.
Oui.
Maybe you took it already.
I'm not sure.
It's
Probably not.
you can.
And look. Ayan, pwede kayong magsabaw ng yelo. So, ayun lang yung sinakay namin train. Ayan, may mga shops din dito. Coffee shops, cafes, souvenir shops. Ayan, very cold lang talaga. Hi guys, tingnan nyo. Sobrang totoo na yung mga fur na to. It's like from animals talaga. Ayan, nakakita nyo yung balat. Tapos dito din sa may butchery na to. Ayan, ano to? Para mga hayop. Oh my gosh. Animal cruelty. So ayan. Ito yung mga fur nila. So guys, ang pinupuntahan talaga dito is yung Staubach. Say it? Staubach Falls. Ito yun. Pero since winter siya, hindi siya ganun kalakas. Pero pag summer, medyo malakas naman siya. Tsaka maganda mag-picture. Kasi green. Pero pag winter, ayan din naman yung background mo. So maganda pa rin naman siya. So punta na kayo dito guys. So guys, ito din yan. Ayan, tingnan nyo. May nagpa-paraglide doon. And then ito yung makikita nyo actually. Dito sa Lauterbrunnen. So good talaga siya for walking. Kasi parang village siya na Switzerland. Tapos may ilog din siya. So ayan. Ayan siya guys. Maganda naman dito. And sabi ko nga, ito yung pwedeng puntahan ng mga tourist para makita lang nila yung normal na buhay na isang Swiss. Ayan. Nasa yun yung kanilang view. So, yun lang. Ito lang siya. Diba? Ang ganda. Tapos guys, medyo tahimik talaga dito sa Switzerland as compared sa mga other countries. Pero kung gusto nyo na mapayapang buhay, dito na kayo. So, yun lang. Salamat! Anyway guys, pag napunta kayo dito may Lata Brunnen. Ito yung, for me, one of the best spots pag mag-take kayo ng picture. So from that way, babala kayo ng konti and ito yung church. Kasi meron siyang background nung falls, may background ka na din ng church. And actually, kung lalapit lang kayo ng konti dito, ayun kasi yung parang river, ito yung river nila na sobrang linis. Ayan. Well, generally kasi yung mga river dito sa Switzerland ay sobrang linis talaga. Kasi yung tubig niyan, galing pa yan sa taas ng mga Alps. So, ayun siya. Ngayon, punta lang kami ng Gimmelwald at naghihintay kami ng bus dito. So, yun. Okay, go.
We are here, and if we want to go to Gimmelwald, it's here.
Wait.
But then you can continue
Oui.
here up until Birga.
Wait.
And the things we wanted to go, it's the Piz Gloria.
Mesek
It's
Ferme.
closed, unfortunately, but that's on the top of the Piz Gloria. You can go at almost 3,000 meters,
Uh-huh.
and you have 360 restaurants, but it's
Wow.
closed until March, unfortunately. It's bad.
It's okay. And we're not ready, so it's okay.
We are not ready.
So, yeah. And then this one is the Gimmelwald. So let's try to see if that's covered with our ticket.
But I think it passed, but I think it's not working.
Sure, the day pass is valid.
Ah, the day pass is valid?
Yes. Yeah, day pass is valid. So straight ahead,
Yeah.
turn left, then up the stairs on the right hand side.
But
you need to
scan a QR,
Yeah, you need to wait and
Ah,
then show
d'accord.
your ticket on
Okay.
the driver. Yeah,
Ah,
it's no
okay.
problem. Next departure is in 6 minutes.
Okay, perfect. Hi guys, so ito yung aming sasakyan na cable car and kasama na pala siya doon sa day pass namin. So ayan. So from Gimmelwald, pwede ka mag-Murenbrig at saka Piz Gloria. Pero yung Piz Gloria kasi ay sarado. Anyway, ayun lang siya. Pakita namin mamaya yung aming travel pass.
House, like my
Okay.
aunt.
So guys, pag nasa Gimmelwald kayo, so ayan yung parang mga activities dito. Pwede kayong playground, tumawid ng nakakamatay na bridge, tapos may waterfalls din. Anyway, this is actually I think during summer kasi kung makikita nyo ngayon, ganyan yung view niya pagka winter. Ayan. It's nice here. Hi guys, we will take a video of the horse now. How are you? Yeah. These ones are for no, they move and then they will just eat a little, you know. So he will not finish everything.
Yeah, but imagine your food is in a web like this.
Ganda naman dito sa may Gimmelwald, pero wala kang masyadong mapupuntahan lalo na pag winter. But anyway, nag-picture lang kami sa may bandang taas and ayan. And dito guys, medyo makapal na yung snow. May isang restaurant lang na open pero parang wala masyadong choice ng pagkain. So naisipan namin pumunta na lang sa may bandang Muren. So 1 cable car away lang naman siya. And sobrang dami nga lang dito nagpa-paragliding. So marami kasing license na paraglider dito sa Switzerland. So yung hobby talaga nila parang every weekend is parang tumatalon sila. And then yon. Pero need mo kasing magkaroon ng license bago ka makapag-paraglide, no? I think si Ian Veneracion, nung dumalaw siya dito, nag-paraglide din siya kasi may license siya. Pero ayun, no? Ganda ng mga bahay. Very, ano siya, traditional houses. Ayan, pero makapal talaga yung snow dito. Tsaka mga chalet. Mga nandito, parang mga wood yung bahay. Tawag pala dito is chalet. Pagka bahay na wood. So, ayan. Ito nga pala yung station ng cable car. So, pupunta lang kami ngayon ng Van Buren. Let's go! Hey guys, so nandito kami ngayon sa may Alti Mesh. Ayan, we're just eating lunch. So it's currently around 12:30. It's currently around 12:30 or I don't know. But anyway, dito kami ngayon sa tapat ng, ito yung view namin. Ayan siya. Going for lunch. For a Saturday lunch here in Muren. So ayan lang siya.
Merci.
Messy. So I have the spaghetti bolognese and then the mac and cheese. And this is for gravy.
That's the
Compot.
apple compot.
Okay.
There'll be girls across the nation that'll eat this up. Babe, I know that it's your soul, but could you better